Hey class, good morning, good Sunday morning, and welcome to the last week of Introductory Psychology. Can you believe it? We made it this far. It is the last week. It's kind of weird to say that. Break is on the horizon. That's even weirder to say because it's been a pretty crazy semester. A lot of work for me personally, both as a student and as an instructor. And again, I'm having issues with my desktop. Normally I record these videos from my desktop. For some reason the camera isn't working, but it's working on my laptop. It worked last week, doesn't work this week. Who knows? It's technology for you. So anyways, welcome back. Hopefully you're having a great weekend. The weather, really interesting, really cold at times, decent at other times, back to cold, back to decent. So that's Oklahoma. Just a reminder that your scholarly article is due tomorrow evening. And also a reminder, please, when you're submitting your article, please make sure that you provide a link or a PDF copy maybe of the article you're using. A link would be fine, but I cannot accept your work without a link. I need some sort of proof that you have an article you were able to locate. Part of the work is being able to locate the article. Part of the work is just showing me, I want the article for kind of selfish reasons. If you get a good article, I want it so I can read it. So part of it's selfish reasons, but part of it's I want proof that you found an article. I think that's part of the light work. So please include some sort of link that I can access. Also, again, I think I mentioned this in the last video, but please read chapter 14 on social psychology. Again, the chapter where psych and social sort of blend together, reading about topics like attitudes, prejudice, discrimination, social influence, social norms, cognitive dissonance. You're going to have to write a discussion post on cognitive dissonance, so make sure you read about that. Make sure you read about the 3 experiments, the Stanford Prison Experiment, Milgram's study of obedience, and Ash's study of conformity. Those are all really infamous experiments that have shaped not only social psychology, but really but psychology in general, how research in psychology is conducted. I mean, ethics, for example, are a major part of conducting research, and ethics were developed from those experiments. So anyways, read chapter 14 if you have not done so. I think I mentioned that in the last video to get started if you haven't. There is a discussion post. Again, it is on the subject of cognitive dissonance. I want you to basically explain the theory and also apply it. I've given you sort of an example of how to apply it. So take a look at that. That's due by Friday. And remember, exam 4 is up and active. It is also due by Friday. Exam 4 only covers chapter 13 and 14, so it covers the methods of therapy chapter and social psychology. So it's still 50 questions, but it's only focused on 2 chapters. So, the questions, there's going to be more questions for each chapter, but they're going to be a little more broader. So, a little bit easier, I think. So there's that. Just a quick recap for the week. Make sure you get your scholarly article in if you haven't done so with the link, please, with the link. Read chapter 14 if you haven't done so, and then make sure you post and respond to 2 of your peers by Friday evening. And exam 4 is also due Friday evening. Grades are due this coming weekend, so that's why everything is due Friday. So please make sure if you don't get your post in your posts and responses and your exam in by Friday, I can't accept it. So please, please, please get all that stuff in by Friday. If you have any issues or questions at all, please feel free to shoot me an email, and I'm going to try to respond much quicker. Normally I try to respond within 24 hours, but since it's the last week, I will try to respond very promptly. Email goes to my phone and it goes to my computer. So if you have any questions, I'm available also. Discussion board, post there. If it's a kind of a general question, maybe your classmates can help answer it too, but something to consider. So last thing is I also want to say thank you so much for helping to make this a productive and interesting and exciting semester. I really enjoyed interacting with you through your discussion posts. I know in an online class it's kind of the only way we get professors and students get to interact. I also got to interact with read your thoughts and writing, which was also very enjoyable and very interesting as well. So I think this is the 2nd semester I've taught online, if you don't include summer. So, I'm trying to improve and I'm slowly but surely trying to make this a more interesting, I don't know if you agree or not, but I'm trying to make this a better, more interactive process. And I think Compared to a year ago, I think I'm doing better. I don't know. We'll see. But anyways, thank you all for, again, a great semester, and I hope that you all have a wonderful break. I hope you after this week, it might be kind of a tough week because you got finals and you got all kinds of stuff going on at the very end. Everything's due at the end, but, just grind it out. Give it your all for this week, and guess what? You've got an awesome month-long break to relax and chill and maybe hang out with some friends and loved ones, maybe catch up on some Netflix, watch some football, maybe watch some Thunder basketball, whatever you fancy. But other than that, I hope you all have a great break. I'm teaching a lifespan development class next semester, so if you have a free spot and want to take another psychology class, there's that. It's online, so something to consider. If not, I hope you have a good one, and I'll see you around. Take care. Bye.